welcome back, or hello if you're new. My name is Feb. Today we're going to be looking at the palette that came out before the Supernova palette from Kryptein that I showed you the other day. This one is the Sunset Symphony. It's a beautiful colour. Their packaging is amazing. If you're feeling summery, which I'm really not right now because it's the gloomiest, wettest, rottenest day in England, spring is passing me by right now. Last May was amazing, so I'm really hoping that it will pick up soon, but at the moment it's like 12 degrees. It's freezing cold, and we've still got the heating on, so that's how bad it is. Okay, let's get down and have a closer look at this thing. Maybe it'll put me in a summery mood. Okay, so here's a close-up of the palette. It is absolutely gorgeous. It came with the usual protective covering on this faux leather, so you can peel that off. Very satisfying. Inside, hope you're ready for this. Oh my goodness, check it out. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but there's a big crack down this pale minty greeny blue one, which is a real shame because I'm going to need to press that back in. It's no big deal. I just can't store it, standing up at the moment, just in case. The range of colours are so very pretty, and it really does make me feel like summertime. I mean, these colours here are just the pool, and then the beach, and then some gorgeous rose garden right here. Wonderful colours. Nothing new, as in not shades you really haven't seen before, although this seashore shade I don't think I have anywhere else, and I'm really happy about it. It's a beautiful thing. Let's swatch the mattes first. So we'll start with seashore. Oh my goodness, they're mattes. I mean, everybody says it, don't they? Oh, they're buttery smooth, but they actually really are very, very buttery. Creamy, beautiful, full of pigment. That pink, oh my God. I mean, that's the one colour in this palette I probably won't use. I'm not fond of bright pink. I love pink, don't get me wrong, but bright pink, not really. But that is so, so pretty. Oh my goodness. Kryptein are definitely one of my top 5 favourite brands for sure. They just can't go wrong, honestly. They never let me down. Wow. Okay, that's almost neon. I'll be interested to see in real life how long this stays. Neons tend to dust off, but that is absolutely beautiful. I haven't used this yet. Okay, let's do the shimmers. So, starting with Skyline. This looks pretty beautiful, actually. Oh my word, it is. It's a gold silver blue. Look at that. That is stunning. Then we've got Halo. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. Which is a gold, but it's also orange. Very, very pretty, and the usual great quality. And then we've got Golden Hour, which looks like that. Wow. That's got a green base to it. That is gorgeous. And then Wave, which just looks magnificent. And it is. Oh, stunning. Quite a transparent base on that. Almost a sort of greeny yellow base. Very pretty. Okay, forgot to turn the camera back on after a quick break. Here's Mojito. Look at this colour. It's a stunning aqua. Wow, that is amazingly beautiful. And then finally, Afterglow, which looks like that. And it's pink, but it's blue. Oh my goodness, there's some gold in there. What an array. What a fabulous array. And for me personally, this is going to be a companion palette. It won't be something that I use on its own. I might use one of these brights in my inner corner, not the pink, but this one, or even the yellow. Weird, after saying how much I dislike yellow, I've actually worn it a few times recently in my inner corner. It does look nice. But this turquoise, I think I would definitely use. These I would pair with something a bit more neutral, I think. Just let me see if I can find something. Okay, so I've chosen their Burnt Forest palette, this one on the left, to pair with this. How fantastic is that those colours will go together so well. And this very pale cream that we have here, the sort of tan brown, deep brown, the dark green, this mid green, you could literally just make dozens of different looks with this and have something different and wonderful every single day. So yeah, if you've got this one, try pairing it with this, especially if you're a bit intimidated by this blue and the yellow and the bright orange. Personally, I love a bright orange eyeshadow. And if you have blue or green eyes, it looks stunning, right? So yeah, that's my recommendation. I will do a ranking soon of all of these Kryptein palettes. Okay, I'll call that the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon for the next one. Take care, stay safe, everybody.